Hey y'all, I have the best washing machine ever. And it's so cute too. It's all digital. Even has a power button and a start button. You can delay your wash for up to 18 hours. And I tried it the other day and it was really cool. And you can pick, your different cycles stuff. And at the end, that's what I'm trying to record now. It plays the cutest little tune ever. Give it a second. Choose your water temperature. The size of your load depends on how long it washes. I think the small wash is like 35 minutes, but it washes really good. That just makes washing more fun, doesn't it? Have a good day.